Hi there, welcome to Basic Chinese lesson 97. But before we start, let's review first what we learned from last lesson. We have 二手、功课、卧室、卫生间、厨房、车库、饭厅、客厅。If you guys have any questions, you can watch lesson 96 and also the quiz session videos again. In the first slide, we have I, I, 长, 长, 长. The meaning of I is short and the meaning of 长 is long. Let's read together. I, 长, 长, 长. Moving on to the next slide, we have 爱好,爱好,爱好. 报纸,报纸,报纸. The meaning of 爱好 is hobby, and the meaning of 报纸 is newspaper. Let's read together. 爱好,爱好,爱好. 报纸,报纸,报纸. Another vocabs here. 出现,出现,出现. 打算,打算,打算. 出现 is appear and 打算 is plan. Let's read together. 出现,出现,出现. 打算,打算,打算. Another vocabs here. 断,断,断. 赶,赶,赶. The meaning of 断 is paragraph and the meaning of 赶 is there. Let's read together. 断,断,断. 赶,赶,赶. So that's all guys for today's lesson. I will see you guys again on our next lesson.